crop production and management. In this session, we will learn about irrigation. You know what is meant by irrigation? The supply of water to the crops at regular intervals of time is called irrigation. Once again, I'll repeat, children. Supply of water to the crops at regular intervals of time is called irrigation. Then what is the benefit or use of that? Then what is the benefit of this irrigation? We know that all living beings need water to survive, isn't it? Even the plants also. The plant starts absorbing the water which consists of nutrients, isn't it? Minerals, etc. These are absorbed and transported to different parts of the plant body. So nearly 90% of the plant body is made up of what? Water. So water is essential. And one more, children, one more very important, that water is helpful in growth and development of fruits, flowers, and especially what? Germination of seeds. You know, children, germination of seeds will take place only in the presence of sufficient water, isn't it? They will not germinate if the condition is dry. So water is an essential. Now we will discuss about the irrigation, isn't it? Irrigation will supply time to time water for the crops. Here, the time and frequency of that is leaving water for the crops varies from one crop to another crop, isn't it? And also from one soil to another, and also from one region to another. Then, different sources we have, isn't it? That is, for example, we have water bodies like lakes, wells, tube wells, rivers, ponds. These are all called what? Main sources of water. From this, water is supplied to the crops. Next, we will learn these are all what? Traditional methods of that is irrigation system and modern methods of irrigation system. The sources of irrigation are wells, tube wells, rivers, lakes, dams, etc. Now we will discuss about the traditional methods of irrigation. Children, in the traditional methods, we are going to use water with the help of what? That is lifting the water with the help of cattle and human labor. And the different methods of traditional methods are mode, which is also called as a pulley system, then chain pump, then deckly and raha. These are what? Different traditional irrigation methods. Now we will discuss about modern methods of irrigation. The modern methods includes sprinkler system and drip irrigation. Now we will discuss about sprinkler system or sprinkler irrigation. In this, the water is supplied, isn't it, in the form of sprinkling, children. So water is supplied to the crops in the form of sprinkling, as if it is raining, no, at the time, like that. Sprinkling of water to the fields is called sprinkling system or sprinkling irrigation. What happens in this system? That is, this type of a system is supplied to where the land is dry, that is sandy soil, it can be suitable. And also if it is applied to the land where water is not sufficient, isn't it? That is, if the land is less in water content, then there also we can go by sprinkler irrigation method. Then how it is made? Actually, children, this sprinkling system consists of perpendicular pipes, and they are connected to the rotating nozzles at the top. These are all connected to the main pipes. When water is allowed to flow through the main pipe, it starts escaping. What it will make? It starts escaping from the nozzles, isn't it? From the rotating crop. What it makes? When the water starts flowing in the main pipelines, it starts escaping from the rotating nozzle, so that the water is that is poured on the crops as if it is rained, isn't it? And this type of a system is widely used in case of a sandy soil. Third, that is drip irrigation or drip system. Water is supplied drop by drop at exactly just the position of the roots, isn't it? This is called what? Drip system. We are supplying water drop by drop, so it is called as a drip system. And here each and every plant will get a sufficient water, so there is no wasting of water in drip irrigation takes place, and it is widely used for especially there is flowering plants, isn't it? Then similarly for the gardening purpose and for trees, and also for fruit plants we can go by drip irrigation method. Here no wastage of water will be done, isn't it? And it is more effective, and it is even preferred for the farmers to go by drip irrigation method. So my dear children, these are what? These are widely using two methods, that is sprinkler system and a drip system in the irrigation. What they will do? They will supply continuously water to the crops. Then the crop utilizes these water, and what makes the fertilizers or get dissolved into the water, and it is absorbed and it is supplied to the different parts of the plant. So for a healthy growth of a plants we need manures, isn't it? Suppose if the crops are lack with the nutrients, means we have to add fertilizers. More preferably we should go for using manures, that is organic substances. If we use it, means we have many advantages.